Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add a board into your workspace in Trello web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Trello website and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So basically, after you successfully access to your Trello workspace, you will find this view as follow. And basically, we are in our workspace, and now we will need to add a board to this workspace. So basically, you will need to click on boards menu so it can lead you to the boards list. And basically, I already have these boards. Now we can create a new board so we can add a board to our workspace. And all you need to do is to click on create a new board. You give your board a title, so add board. I will just name it like that and give it a color or a background color. It can be an image or a color, and of course you can attribute this board to any workspace that you want. So if you have multiple workspaces, you can attribute this board to any workspaces, and of course you can give permissions or visibility for this for this board. So either it will be visible to all the members of the workspace, or it will be private. That means only the board's member, only the one who can access to this board, or it can be public in the internet. So after that, you will need just to click on create, and this way you will have this add board that we have just created. And as you can see, now I'm going just to close it and delete my board because I don't want it. And now I have just showed you how to add boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.